Hi friends, welcome back to our English learning channel. Today, we have a funny and easy story to help you practice English. Are you ready to laugh and learn? Let's go! Tom is hungry. He goes to the kitchen. He sees a banana on the table. Yummy, he says. I love bananas. Tom takes the banana. But the banana says, Stop, don't eat me. Tom jumps. What? A talking banana? The banana says, Yes, I can talk. I am special. Tom says, If you are special, sing a song. The banana starts singing. I'm yellow, I'm sweet, I'm fun to eat. Tom laughs and laughs. He puts the banana back on the table. Okay, I won't eat you, he says. Then he takes an apple. The apple says, Hey, don't eat me too. Tom runs away from the kitchen. Thanks for listening to our funny story. Did you like it? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell. See you next time with more fun stories. Bye-bye.